Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Jenny Beauty in a Minute. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about beauty supplements. I am somebody who advocates taking beauty supplements besides using good skincare to help preserve youthful and younger looking skin. As mature ladies or gentlemen, we also need to take care of what we consume, what we eat. And as we age, studies have shown that starting at age 20, we lose 1% of collagen. So every year as we age, we lose collagen. Collagen is the building blocks that is under our skin that give us that plumpness and firmness and bounciness. So when we lose that collagen, we also lose that younger and youthful looking skin. So today I want to talk about this brand here, made in New Zealand by the brand Good Health. And this is the Imaglow Advanced Collagen Formula. And what I like about this one is that it's a packet of 60 and you only need to take one a day. So this box of 60 would last you 2 months. So you don't have to shell out a lot of money. I just find that one tablet a day, if that helps to slow down the formation of wrinkles and fine lines, slow down that wrinkly, dry skin, retain and maintain your youthfulness, just that little bit of longer, I think it's worth investing. So Good Health is a New Zealand brand. So they produce a lot of health and beauty supplements. And for my overseas audience, if you could find something similar that is available for purchase in your country, yeah, go ahead. So you may not be able to purchase the brand I'm talking about, as this is made in New Zealand. But if you could buy something very similar to this, yeah, I totally encourage you to do so. It comes like this. Each packet has 12 in here. So there are 5 sachets of this that makes up to 60 tablets, and you only need one a day. What I really like about this formula is that it contains ingredients that are really good for hair growth. As we age, our hair also gets thinner, and unfortunately for some ladies and gentlemen, they also develop bald spots and falling out of hair. So that's what I like about these tablets here. They contain zinc gluconate, and zinc is one of those ingredients that are really essential for hair growth. So per tablet, there is 38 milligram of zinc gluconate, 30 milligram of colloidal silica. Colloidal silica is another ingredient that is really good for hair growth. And then 50 milligram of ascorbic acid, vitamin C. This product also contained 650 micrograms of biotin, 25 milligram of hyaluronic acid, 21 milligram of vitamin E, 50 milligram of resveratrol. Resveratrol is a type of compound that is found in plants, especially in grapes. And resveratrol has huge antioxidants and anti-aging benefits. Resveratrol is anti-inflammatory. Resveratrol can also help to reduce heart disease, and then 250 milligram of marine collagen. So as you can see, each one of these contains marine collagen, vitamin C, colloidal silica, hyaluronic acid, zinc gluconate, biotin, vitamin E, resveratrol. All those ingredients have been scientifically proven to benefit skin health, benefit your overall health. Each box lasts 2 months, and this is $38 available at the Chemist Warehouse in New Zealand and Australia. I mean, for $38, it lasts for 2 months. I mean, we're looking at literally 50 cents a day. You know what I mean? It is really a no-brainer to invest 50 cents a day to give your body that additional nutrients, minerals that helps with the whole anti-aging process in your body, on your skin and on your hair. I think it's absolutely no-brainer. I've been personally taking this for the last couple of years. I strongly encourage my audience to start taking some kind of beauty supplement that contains some of these minerals or more help to put in the additional minerals that your body needs for healthy hair, healthy skin, healthy nails, and healthy body. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please list them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.